Yeah.
Don't drop it.
I'm not. This is hard. It must be hard to do.
Oh, I see he goes down now?
Picture? Yeah. That's a yeah.
Look at how deep trip and all that was hill.
Yeah.
I want to see someone crash so bad that bad.
There's one on YouTube where the guy rolled the vehicle.
You watch a four-wheeler floating out of you here?
Oh, dude, yeah.
That's so cool.
All the air pressure lines, all for the air pressure.
So, yeah, you and your father going together to Chicago.
Can I just say, hey, buddy, how's it going?